Hi guys, so today we'll find out what all things you can do at WOL3D. So let's go! The minute you step in, you'll enter the entire world of 3D printing where there are plenty of products, 3D printed products at display. Right from shoes to helmets to miniatures, and I mean your miniatures can be here at display. And look at this. This is an entire huge 3D printer operating 24/7, and this is just one of the hundreds that we have in store for you. So here we have a set of FDM and SLA printers, and not to mention the products made with them. So this is a resin printed 3D mask. Also we have our very own Venom. Not to forget, Stitch is there to give you company. So moving on to this dress, which is not exactly 3D printed but made by a 3D pen. So what exactly is a 3D pen? So in our words, it's the most magical pen out there. And you might be wondering what it actually does. So it lets you draw your imagination out of thin air. So let's have a look how it works. This is where you get to know all about 3D printing. So here, exactly here, we host our 3D printing learning sessions only for you. Right from STL files, designing to the production process, you will get to learn everything from scratch. So here we have our prototype team who works their juju in this very room to turn their concept into reality. From designing to slicing to 3D printing, they work on each and every detail, and they can guide you to see how testing, refining, and making that amazing product come to life. This is the prototyping powerhouse where every execution happens. So whatever you want to print, this is the spot where you come, and you can get everything printed at your hand. So now as you know what all things you can do at WOL3D, so tell us, when are you visiting?